This 6-foot Hathaway Fairmont pool table delivers an authentic billiards experience in a compact footprint that fits comfortably in smaller game rooms or apartments. Its folding steel legs with built-in levelers feel sturdy during play, yet collapse quickly, making the table genuinely easy to move and store when space is tight. The smooth red cloth, wide top rails, and responsive cushions provide a surprisingly true roll and consistent rebound that help shots track the way you expect. Because it arrives fully assembled, you can go from opening the box to playing a full game in just a few minutes without wrestling with complicated hardware. The included cues, balls, triangle, chalk, and carrying bag mean you have everything necessary for casual family games or more competitive practice sessions right away. Overall, the table strikes a thoughtful balance between portability, durability, and play quality, making it a strong choice for households that want real pool without committing to a permanent full-sized table.